only traveled about 40 miles from the spot where I took the first video, and now it is much, much larger. In fact, it looks almost like an explosion. Looks like fire season is in full bloom. That's a pretty big conflagration across that mountain range just northeast of Santa Fe. I wanted to join this sunset and emphasize the fact that with the gas prices where they are right now, I am in a very difficult situation. In fact, I'm spending more than twice what I budgeted for gas alone. And for me to say that's not a lot would be a lie. I spend, if I travel every 2 or 3 days, between $50 and $75 a day on gas. I've spent as much as $300, but that's traveling a distance with an intention. It's a difficulty that has to be endured, and I'm fine with that. Ultimately, what I'm looking for, what I'm hoping that I can get, are the friends and family that are watching my videos and enjoying my videos and are ultimately then commenting on videos or sharing or of course liking videos. All of those things help considerably, and if you share them, then when people ask questions, if they have questions that you can't answer, direct them to me, and if I can get someone else who's interested in watching my videos, that would be great. That's kind of what I'm working towards. I'm hoping that I can build an organic following, not a tailored following. Anyway, just understand that, you know, times are difficult for everybody right now. And in this case, I've got a beautiful place to stay. And I was thinking about leaving tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to, because rather than, you know, putting money, gas in the tank or groceries otherwise, I've got everything I need, and I'm gonna, you know, probably stand fast tomorrow. The only reason that I'm thinking about leaving tomorrow is because it's Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. That'll be before the weekend technically begins. And if there are people who are looking for a campsite at Orilla Verde, which is where I was headed, then if I was set in a good location, then I would have that area for 3 or 4 days. So I'm really kind of torn because I'm on BLM land right now, and it's out in the middle of nowhere and there's no water. So it'd be great to move over to Orilla Verde and go to the Rio Grande River and hang out. And I think it's a national conservancy, so it'll probably cost, but not too much. And actually, I think I would enjoy it. So just kind of up in the air. We'll see. Found a spot of BLM land at about 6,300 feet elevation. Looks like they were able to get that fire under containment because I can see residual smoke, but I definitely don't see as much as I saw yesterday. Got a nice spot for Sarah to hang out with the canopy up. There's no shade over there now because of the direction of the sun, but it'll provide plenty of shade as the sun sets to the west, which is pretty much directly where I'm facing right now. But you can see with elevation, I have a pretty good view of some of the hilltops or mountain ranges in and around the area. Pretty nice spot. I've had viewers mention that they want to get a little bit of information about some of the stuff that I'm actually able to use. And in this case, I've got a tailgater tire table, not sponsored, that works very simply actually. And there's a tension bar that actually wraps around the back side of the tire and then comes back into a support that folds flush up here whenever it's stored. And that just gives it support front to back, along with a drop down leg that actually gets shored up to make sure that all of the weight is, or at least most of the weight, is in the center. In this case, I've got a Bluey. It's 6.5 gallons of water. It's about 50 pounds of water. And then I also have a packet of water. Keep it from the sun. I've also got a Jackery that is getting some sun to my power supply.
Also not sponsored.
Dream I heard a warning saying leave the rest, take only what you need.
Hey buddy. Hey.
So keep on singing to those who listen, 'cause you can make it on your own. Time goes slowly, it's lonely when you got no one on your side. You gotta love one another, sister and brother, 'cause you only got one ride. I heard the falling rain this evening, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?